So if you have a Miele dishwasher like this one, you will occasionally run out of rinse aid. It's a pretty easy thing to fix, and you don't have to do it immediately, but it is helpful. And the dishwasher might stop operating if you don't fill it up, depending on your model. You'll see right here, it says refill rinse aid. That's when you know you need some rinse aid. Again, it'll still operate, but you do want to consider refilling it as quickly as you can. We'll be refilling it with this. This is Miele's rinse aid. This is the one that comes with it. You can buy more of it if you want, or you can use a different brand. Okay, the refill process is pretty simple. If you see this warning about low rinse aid, then you need to open the dishwasher and you'll see these two compartments right here on the door, like that. This one is for your dish detergent. This one is for the rinse aid. You can see that little rinse aid symbol right there. It's the same one we saw on the indicator above. And you just pop this open. It should open by itself. Should be relatively clean and free of debris. There's that little rinse aid indicator. It looks like a star again. And you're gonna fill this thing up. This will hold, for most models, about 110 milliliters, so a fair bit. This bottle, for the record, is 500 milliliters, so you could fill it up about 5 times. And you want to fill it basically till you start seeing the rinse aid come up. You could go under that. You don't have to fill it up all the way, but you're just going to be back at this whole thing if you don't put enough in there. Okay, I'm just going to add the rinse aid now. Again, don't want to overdo it. You're only doing about 1/5 of the bottle. You see it start to appear here, then it'll drain down. Miele recommends wiping up any excess that might have gotten around. Just want to get rid of that. This stuff is meant to be used in a wash, not just sitting out on your machine or touching your dishes or silverware or anything like that. So just wipe it down, get rid of any extra stuff. Then you close this flap. It'll have a nice firm click. Now you want to go back here and press the OK button. In this case, I didn't even have to hit OK. The sensor noticed that it was full and that warning went away. So now we have refilled the rinse aid on our Miele dishwasher, and we should be good for another couple weeks or another couple months, depending on how often you use this. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.